Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do you have to rinse off corned beef before cooking? You can rinse corned beef, but it's not a requirement. Rinsing the brisket removes any excess salt from the meat, resulting in a more mild flavor. Or you can put the beef in the crock pot without rinsing at all.
Take our lead.
The raw meat can be boiled, slow-cooked, and baked. It is often sold pre-cooked, but if you have purchased it raw, the best way to cook corned beef is slowly. You can bake, boil, or cook it in your slow cooker, but the key to a tender, flavorful meal requires at least a few hours.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Corned beef brisket is not a delicate meat, so almost any method of cooking will give you a tender and juicy result. The best way to decide how to cook yours is to go by the cooking method. Briskets cooked in liquid should be fat side up, and those cooked directly on the heat source should be fat side down.
Take our lead.
Add the spice packet, a bottle of dark beer and enough water to cover the corned beef completely. Bring it to a boil and cover, cooking on a low simmer for 2.5 to 3.5 hours. This cooking time will vary depending on the size and shape of the corned beef. Suggested cook time is 45 to 50 minutes per pound.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cooking over a high temperature. When cooked on high for too long, corned beef is likely to turn out tough and chewy rather than soft and tender. Instead, regardless of the cooking method, corned beef is best cooked over low heat.
Take our lead.
Stovetop. Rinse the brisket, place in a stock pot, or any large pot, and add water to cover. You can also add some beer. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover and simmer for about 2.5 to 3 hours or until meat is fork tender. Slow cooker. Corned beef cooks well in a slow cooker or instant pot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.